Hello guys, you're welcome to today's trading section. So this is binary options trading, and I'm currently opening the Euro JPY currency pair, and like I just said, this is binary options, and I'm currently analyzing the 1 minute candlestick, as you can see here, and I'm going to be looking for the opportunity to take a trade for 5 minutes expiry time. So I will have that set up. And so first of all, let us analyze this chart. This has been a downtrend in the past, and it was a downtrend up to this level, and then this higher low swing was broken over here, and it was an uptrend for a little while, and then the uptrend ended here when this lower low swing was broken, and then it created a new high, a new low here, a new high, and then all the way down to this low here. And what happened is, this was the previous low high. The market created a new low here and was unable to get to this high. Then it was unable to create a new low, and then this previous lower highs was broken over here, so you can see. And then this is a signal that the market wants to go up for a while, and then the market went all the way here, and it is currently now retracing. So for me, I will consider this an uptrend, because this is the previous lower high which has been broken, and that's why I'm going to consider this an uptrend until this market is broken over here. I still consider this an uptrend. But that being said, if we can get let me try to draw some key levels so we can understand something or better. So let me see, let me draw a trend line here. Okay, this is a trend line. This is where the market just got to, and it is currently falling down. Well, okay. So with this market condition, I cannot tell for sure what is about to happen, because this is a trading opportunity that has already been missed. So I am not going to jump into any trade at the moment. All I can do is I can wait for the market to create a new low somewhere around here, and then it's gonna retrace back, and then we can take a trade in the downward direction. So until then, I don't have the trade opportunity over here, so I'm just going to wait. So for the purpose of this video, it is going to take a lot of time to wait, so I think I'm going to fast forward this video, and then when I have the trading opportunity, I am going to take the trade, and I'm definitely going to explain to you everything about the trading setup. So let's wait. So guys, though I had to draw a horizontal level of support over here, and I noticed that the market is currently weak right here, and this is a sign that it is going to retrace for some time. Maybe it's gonna get somewhere around here. So I think I can go for a short trade, and for 5 minutes. So now let me explain why I took this trade. Like I said before, when I drew this line, I realized that this is a downtrend, and this is a downtrend because this was respected over here, and then it has been respected over here as well. But the reason why I thought earlier that this downtrend may have been over is because of this higher low swing that was broken in the past. And then naturally, when things like this happen, the market is going to retrace, and then this is a previous area of support where the market got to, and I noticed that there was some weakness in the market when it got here. All over here the market was weak, and then when you see weaknesses like this in the market, it is a sign that the market is tired of going in that original direction that it has been going. So this is a sign. I'm not saying that this downtrend is not going to continue, but I'm just saying when I noticed that there was a weakness over here, I just had the feeling that the market may retrace for some time, maybe around here, or maybe got to this trend line, I don't know. But after that, it can continue in its original downtrend. But for now, I believe for the next 3 minutes, the market is going to retrace. So that's why I took this trade. So let's wait for this trade to run out in the next 3 minutes, and after that I'm going to explain to you more the reason why I took this trade. So let's wait. So guys, we have won this trade. So now let me explain to you again this trading setup. When I opened this chart, the market was somewhere around here. When I opened this chart, the market was somewhere around here, and then I noticed that this market was a downtrend in the past, but there was some complications around this level because the market created a new low here. It created this high, and then it created an equal low, and then it created an equal high over here. So it was like the market was consolidating around this area. It finally created a new low, and then it came back all the way back up to these same highs. It was unable to create a new low, and then these previous highs was broken over here. You notice that? So and then it went all the way to this level, and it was on its way retracing already when I opened this chart. So the first thing I did was let me take everything off. The first thing I did was I had to draw a resistance trend line. This was what I did, and then when I drew this line, I realized that the market reversed from this level. which is a signal that it's going to continue down here. But why I had my doubts was when this level was broken, because that was why I had my doubt that this uptrend for me, it's going to be over. And then I said that I am not clear, I'm not quite sure what the market is trying to do, but I'm just going to wait for the market to create a new low around here. Then it should retrace back to this trend line, then I can take a trade in the downward direction. So that was my initial plan. But when I sat here looking at the chart, I realized that the market was retracing. It got to this level and the buyer stepped in with this candle, and then I had to draw a support horizontal line. I did that over here, and then when I paid attention to what happened, I realized that it was reversed. The market hit this level, reversed, and it worked over here as a support, and then it is doing the same thing over here. But I wasn't convinced. I had to wait, and I noticed that there is weaknesses over this area, and then I noticed that these weaknesses is showing that the market had no interest in going down further. So I took the trade on this candle, and it was a win. It was a win. So this is more like a very easy setup. If I didn't see these weaknesses in this market, I wouldn't have placed this trade. My initial plans was to wait for the market to create a new low, reverse back to maybe around here, then I would take the trade. So that was my initial plan, but I took this trade when I noticed that there is weaknesses over here. So for me, this is going to be the end of this trading section. But as far as this chart is concerned, I have the feeling that this downtrend is over, because the market is going to retrace and it's going to reverse back to this trend line, and this trend line will be broken in the future, because this area here shows that this market has no interest in going down further in the future. So I hope you understand one or two with this trading setup. If you have any questions, please drop them on the comments down below. I'll be very glad and happy to answer all of your questions. So till I see you again, keep working hard and have a good day.